Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. One more idea for your gift giving this Christmas and also for your craft fair. If you've seen what I sewed, and it was kind of the result of my last craft fair, you will know that I sewed so many gift bags and gift boxes that I was really surprised, because I actually sewed a lot last year, but this year I had so many. So I just wanted to have one more option, and that's the one that we're making today. This is a die set, and I will have the link below to the die set, and I'll show you next. It's a beautiful die set, quite inexpensive. It's KS Crafts, and it's really, you see how quick you put this together. I will show you how to put the face together and also the box. Very easy to make, beautiful. I keep calling this a box, but it's a bag, kind of a bag in a box, I guess. So, you know, you can press it like this and have it like a bag, like that, and glue it, or maybe put a ribbon. But that's the tutorial today. It's an idea that I give you. Have an area of your paper crafting for your craft fair of gift bags, like wrapping, gift bags and gift boxes. People were going crazy about my boxes. They loved them, and they were like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, and they wanted two, and they wanted matching. So try that and see if it works for you. It really worked for me. So that's it. Let's look at the die, and then I'll show you how to assemble this. First, let me show you the die set. It's actually two. This one came out, it's both by KS Crafts. This came out for I believe in I don't know what the release was, but this was aimed at Easter. So the die set that actually makes the box is this one. And this one is the add-on, which is what I used for the front. See, this is an add-on, but with it, it's two different sets, and I'll have the link to both, okay? So one makes the box, and the other one, it's just an image of Santa, and they have another option of add-on as well, but I love the Santa, and that's the one that I used today. But just making sure that you understand that one makes the box, and this is just an add-on. Of course, you can just get this one and not do the Santa face, which, it's your personal preference, and you can just use some beautiful paper and decorate with some ephemera as well. But I wanted to show you both, okay? And I'll have the link to both. And as you know, KS Crafts, they kind of sell out fast. If you really want to get it, don't wait too long, because it's so frustrating for me and for you, because I don't like when I show a die set and then you guys want it and it's not there. So anyway, now let me show you how to put this together. You see how quick it is to make this box. So the way that I chose to do this is I put the face together on the box, and then I glue the sides. On the bag, the front of the bag, like I did here. I prepare it first. So when it comes out, when you die cut your pieces, this is the side. You're going to cut this twice and this twice. And all the rest here is just once. So we're going to fold this, because that's what the bag is like. That's how tall it is. And on the side, you're going to see, I don't know if you can see, maybe on the other side would be easier, yeah. You can see that there is a folding line here, a folding line here, here, and here. So we're going to just fold it. These are the sides where you're going to glue. That's the bottom, so you have these three flaps here, but also here you have one folding line that goes all the way down to here, and then it does like a triangle. So what I like to do, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see this much easier. What I like to do is you just want to fold it like this, and then here just follow. See here? Same thing on the other side, like that. So that's all you need. You need this triangle here, which you already have, and then fold the middle. And you're done. All you need to do now is to glue it on the side. But before we do that, we're going to put our little guy together, okay? So we have our folding line. You don't want to glue there, which I did the first time I did this. That was my mistake. So you see the line here. So we're just going to glue the face first, and then we put it together. What I'm going to do is, because I don't want to just be talking, I'm going to play a nice song, and you will see me just gluing everything, and so that it doesn't take too long, okay? The only thing I want to explain to you is I wanted some dimension. So for the hat, this is the top of the hat. I use this glittery paper here. I actually glued three pieces so that it stands out a little bit. The same thing I did with the beard. I mean, with the mustache. So I have three pieces here, and it stands out. As you can see, let me show you the box. See how this kind of pops, and this too, it pops a little bit. So I did that just to have some dimension so that I wouldn't have everything flat. But that's personal preference. So I'm going to play a nice song, and you're just going to see me to putting this together. Let me zoom in and let the show begin. Absolutely love it. And guys, honestly, this is a great card front as well. So if you make cards, and I will make some for sure using this. I have to make a lot of Christmas cards because I sold quite a few in my craft fair. And my next ones will all be 100% Christmas. So I need to make some more cards. So this little piece, I love this little piece. I think it makes a huge difference. So I'm going to zoom out now. And I'm going to show you how to put this together. So this is the front of your box. The way I like to do is I like to put, so this goes here, it's the side, right? So I like to put first, and I always use the lines of your mat to help you align it well. So the first thing I do is I glue these because it's so easy. Just put some glue here. This is quite easy to assemble. And see how it aligns here. Oh, let me zoom in. There. Easier for you. So it aligns perfectly here. So just kind of push it back. See? It's perfect. And I like to do this too, to make sure that it's not sticking here. So there you go. We have our side ready. So that's how I put the side. And the next thing I do is to, let me zoom out a little bit so you see the whole thing. I'm going to put some glue here, and we're just going to pull it up and glue the side, okay? Quite easy to do. It's one of the easiest box. I mean, it's a bag actually. I keep calling it a box, but it's actually a gift bag, like a candy bag or something. So you just pull it up. Let me show you this side here because it's easier. So you just glue the side like that. It's perfectly aligned here. And then I just turn it, press it with my finger, get my bone folder. Make sure that it's aligned. It's all perfect here. It's nothing showing. Just gonna press a little bit here on the side. So there you go. And I already did the same to the other side here. This is too close. There you go. So I did the same to the other one, just on the other side. And what we're going to do now is we're going to glue the bottom like that. And then we glue the sides. Very, very easy. There are so many ways that you can do this. It doesn't have to be this way, but that's how I do it. I tried a few different ways and I thought that this was the easiest way. So we just kind of place it here and I press it on the sides and here just to make sure that it's aligned and it's perfect. I just get my bone folder and I press it down. So there you go. And now all you need to do is glue the sides. How quick is that? You can make quite a few of these, guys. And on my craft fair, I learned that this idea of selling wrapping ideas, bags and boxes, I really sold a lot. So I'll be always doing that on my Christmas craft fairs because people are searching for ideas on how to wrap their presents in a way that is unique. So there, I'm just pressing down with my finger. And the last one is this side here. Let me just, I'm gonna put some glue. Especially on the edge here, I want to make sure. And I'll just press it down. Make sure that it's not showing anything, everything's aligned well. And it is. Again, I'll use my bone folder. I actually like to use my hands. I just get one of my fingers and press it down. So there you go. We have our box. How easy was that? We have a beautiful Christmas box. So in this one, you see the sides are different. And use your, it doesn't have to be double-sided. I use double-sided paper on both, but you don't have to. You can just have it white inside, not a problem. But how cute is that? I'm going to make tons of these for my craft fair. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do want the dies again, I've been having quite a few of these that I show the die and then it's sold out. KS Crafts, I think they have a low stock or something. But do get it today. I'll have the link below to both, okay? To the big one that is the box. If you want just that, that's fine. And you have a little rabbit for Easter, which is great. And if you want this add-on, I'll have that as well. Very, very pretty, great size. By the way, let me tell you the size here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 inches by 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5. So 4.5 by 5.5. Great size. You can fit so much in here, and you can also close it if you want and have something like that. You can glue here or maybe have a ribbon. I mean, use your creativity, guys. I know that you have a lot of that. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you have a great day.
Been bad and cover up your head 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.